So we got our pot. I didn't rinse it off because I just washed these yesterday, so good. It's like good rice. When you see the picture of an elephant on there?
Oh yeah, you know it's authentic.
And it says Asian best. It's the best Asian rice. Let's do that. Get a nice big scoop. 2 big dudes. We got a lot of rice. And I'll cook it. I've done enough episodes of me cooking rice, so you guys know how to make rice already. Welcome back, guys, to Food, Booze, and Friends. Today we have Pierre. He's the owner of Geekly Gadgets.
So Geekly Gadgets is pretty much, I started doing a page where you can work on your Fire Stick, your Android box. It'll update all your new apps, fix all the maintenance so it's not bugging or lagging, slowing down. And it's all free. You just watch it. I post videos probably like once a week. You can check it out. I'll post new apps where you can watch movies, TV shows, just like Tranium TV and Showbox, and yeah.
We're gonna do a giveaway for an air fryer. So since we're doing that, in honor of that, we're gonna cook a meal where we're gonna air fry it today. Nice. Just so people get an idea of how the air fryer works. The way that I know that it works is like it's hot air like circulating around it. So there's like a fan in there from the top that blows all the heat around it. So instead of like an oven where it's just blowing heat from like one side, like the top or the bottom, it's rotating all around it. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna make some Cambodian style ribs, the way my family used to make it. We just season it with salt, sugar, and like crushed red peppers, the way to air fry it, and eat it with some rice, like a true ethnic meal.
Doing well. I've been trying to do it at least once a month.
You know what? We're gonna do this together. I feel like barbecue sauce and ketchup shouldn't go on chicken. So
ketchup, yeah, ketchup is.
People put ketchup on their rice.
Should be limited things.
Just like fries and burgers. All right, so what we're gonna do is you're pretty much just looking for the middle, between the 2 bones.
And the slicing right
there.
Yeah,
but just right down. This is a fast, easy meal that anybody can make if you like pork. And I'm actually trying to cut back on pork too. But it's so good.
Oh yeah. Especially summertime coming up, this is like a staple.
Cambodians fry everything. That's why a lot of old Cambodian people are fat. We're gonna season on both sides too. Just like coating of salt, and you can do that too. And then sugar. People like sugar.
Yeah, it gives a little extra flavor. People thinking like you're gonna add like some red, purple Kool-Aid flavor to it. It's sugar. It just gives a nice little sweet taste to it. You just don't overbear it.
Yep, and it helps with the color. It gives a nice color too. And then the red crushed pepper gives it a nice kick. So we're gonna do that on one side, flip it, season the other side. And like air fryers, some of them are digital, some of them have dials. Mine is digital, and I don't really know how to use the ones with the dials because it's like, mine does all the work for me. I select the mode and it has like a picture of the food that you want to put.
And you just walk away and just
you have one of those too?
I got a nice square digital one. Kind of looks like a safe, actually.
Yeah, some have like a timer on it. And you gotta do the timer like yourself and the temperature yourself. Like I can't bet. All air fryers should be digital.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna show everybody how an air fryer works, right? So we just take out the tray. And this shit cooks cooks fast. It's like 20 minutes. So we'll just make enough for me and you.
Should be, right?
Yeah.
Pretty much cooks all around. That's the whole point of an air fryer. Just like that.
Combine and it goes. And it's cooking.
Set, and then you can work on other stuff, your vegetables, your any type of stuff. I mean, I wouldn't leave the house, but you know, you just work on other things, just check on it, and you're good to go.
Yes, sir.
It's so easy.
How do you enter into the giveaway?
Pretty much, if you want to subscribe to Food, Booze, and Friends, you'll be part of the giveaway. Comment, I want the air fryer, so I know you're serious about it, and then we'll just go down and we'll do a random selection and we'll pick it from there. So
they can't just subscribe to Food, Booze, and Friends. They gotta hop on your channel.
Okay, also also got Geekly Gadgets. You can also hop on. That's my technology fire stick page. I also do product reviews, but I'm working on the side too. But right now, I was just working on the fire stick and all that stuff.
And I'll put that info on the screen. Should they leave a comment? I want the air fryer on your Facebook page and also on the video.
Yeah, you can do that too. Okay. So we can narrow it down and get it all together.
You heard them. Subscribe to Food Booster Friends. You gotta comment on the on the video. I want the air fryer. Also on Geekly Gadgets, I want the air fryer. Then we'll enter you guys.
It's good stuff. It's like seriously life changing when you get an air fryer.
Yo, that's some real shit. Like you cook so fast. I'll make my lunch. I can make my lunch that morning, throw it in my air fryer, then get ready for work.
Good to go.
Tell us
the air fryer. So I don't mess around when it comes to giveaways. I always give top quality stuff. So I was thinking about what I should give away. I was like, yeah, let's do an air fryer. So I was looking around. I saw this. I'm like, this is amazing. You can actually put a pizza in this and just, put it on 10, 15 minutes, whatever the setting is, and just carry on your day. And now you got like a home delivery pizza, DiGiorno pretty much in your house.
I think delivery. It's DiGiorno.
Oh, yeah.
So that pretty much works the same way as this one, but just way bigger.
Just way bigger and more room, add stuff, and it's digital too. As you see, it's got the nice little dial and the LCD screen, so you can set the temperature. And it's
all right. What are the functions on this thing? We got some.
Got adjustable temperature controls, pre-grown cooking options. Automatic built-in timers, so you can just literally pick the picture and it'll cook for you, so you don't have to set it yourself. Easy to clean, it's dishwasher safe in the pan. You got all types of grills where you can cook different types of things, from pizza, steak, cookies, French fries. You can make your own healthy sweet potato fries, chop it up yourself, then just throw it in there, so you don't have to worry about getting regular fries from the store. So you can literally make healthy cooking with this and not have to worry about taking out time and energy. It's all for you, easy. I'm telling you, it's the new wave.
And the food tastes bomb. Like it uses like the natural oils from inside of it to cook it. When you cook the chicken, like so much of the grease comes out of when you cook it.
But it's still like crisp and flavorful, which doesn't make sense. It's like how is it doing it with no oil? The way they do it, I don't know if they're using the inside juices already in there, and then they're just keeping it and getting rid of the excess fat.
Damn, dope stuff. I think these ribs though. All right, so here you can fit a 12-inch pizza. Like you said, he said DiGiorno, and just healthy. You don't gotta use oil. So I got this like for Christmas from my aunt. And my cousin sent me this from California, because when I used to do my cooking on Instagram, I was frying shit every day, like pork chops, everything I was frying. They were like, you need to stop using oil, because it's gonna make you fat. Using the oil every day is gonna make you fat. Like you can cook everything you use, like on the stove in the oil, like in this.
Oh yeah,
without oil.
No problem.
Look at, oh my god, look at that. Almost there. We should do a little flipping. Careful, it might be hot.
Oh no, I got it on the plastic.
Back in, then it just starts.
Just picks up where it left off.
Gucci.
And boom.
Gucci.
That's how easy it is. This makes your life so much simpler. But yeah, it's just...
Oh my god.
Yeah, you can see all the oil. He kind of looked like Charlie Murphy when they're doing that, like behind the scenes for their dancing. Look at that. All from an air fryer. Alright, it's so good.
Okay. Good color on that.
That's like perfect flavor. Especially for like ribs with like no like barbecue sauce on it. Like that is like bomb.
It's so easy. Salt, sugar, pepper flakes. You don't gotta put pepper flakes. Just one kick. What pass me the sriracha? Thank you, sir.
Definitely a good Sunday funny meal right here. And let's get together. So when you cut, it's like a little rough, but when you hit the center, it's just like buttery soft. It's like, oh my god.